Okay, so this video will break down a decimal times whole number word problem. The problem that we're going to deal with is this one. Jason's Deli can make 2 2/10 sandwiches in 1 minute. How many sandwiches can Jason's Deli make in 30 minutes? That's kind of an intriguing question, I think. All right, so if I'm looking at my totals, I see words like how many sandwiches and 30 minutes. So like right now, I know how much they can make in 1 minute, but what I need to know is how much they make in 30 minutes. So therefore, I do not know my total. If I do not know my total, it's going to be adding or multiplying. Well, if I look at my labels, 2 2/10 is sandwiches and 30 minutes. So I have sandwiches and I have minutes. Those are definitely different labels. And if they're different labels, I want to multiply or divide. So putting that together, I can see that over here, the operation that is the same when I do my totals and labels is multiplication. So I know I need to multiply. So I'm going to take my 2 2/10 sandwiches. I'm going to multiply that by 30 minutes. If I do 2 2/10 times 30, I get 66 sandwiches. Okay, that might be helpful information. That's kind of a real world question because, if you know for a fact that you or your store can make a certain amount of something in a minute, it's helpful to know that in case you are, let's say, they're getting a huge catering party. Somebody's having a holiday party and they want sandwiches, and they need to be able to tell the customer whether they have enough time to make those sandwiches. So it's kind of good to know how much, not just in 1 minute, but how many in 30 minutes, and then again, maybe even in 20. So I know for if I add 66 and 66, I would get 132. So if I have a customer coming in and saying, oh, I have 200 people that I need sandwiches for, I need these in 2 hours. Okay, you can, if you know this information, you can decide if you have enough time or not to make those sandwiches. So that's a good real world question.